In this video, we'll show you a quick overview of how to hang and secure your Relevé Spot. So you'll take your brackets and you'll want to attach them onto your Relevé Spot here. Again, lining up the holes here. Simply keying them in place. For hanging the fixture, make sure to grab two people, have the clamps oriented in the same direction, and mount them onto the pipe. Don't forget to attach the safety cable, wrapping it around the handle of the enclosure. Once your Relevé is secured, you're all good to go. To remove the bracket, simply pull up on the lever here